All right, John William, what are we doing? We're gonna go watch Daddy finish up soybeans?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Ben, what are you gonna do?
Plant some soybeans.
He's gonna finish up. And that's a good thing. Here, give everybody a frontal view of you. There you go. Look at all the women on YouTube. There you go, boy. He's not really single, but we'll just say he is for technical issues. She don't watch the channel. Here, let's catch the tractor coming out. Oh, he's firing her up. Here, come on, get over here. Come on. And the 4440, the new idea planner. Got two 4440. John William wanted to hang out with Mr. Eastern Shore Farmer. He didn't want to go ride. He's only got 100 foot through the ditch to finish. There he goes. Drinking Michelob Ultras. And watching tractor work. He's just finishing up. He's just got to go over to the ditch and it'll be all done. Right, John William?
Yep.
What do you want to say to the YouTube world? You want to say hi?
Hi.
Show everybody your John Deere hat.
Hi.
That's right, we're John Deere people around here. We're neighbors, our farm's on the other side of Hydro. Comes around here.
I can see a chicken house is back there.
Yes, you can. Look at that professional work.
I heard that beep in the tractor.
Yeah.
That means the feed don't come now.
I think that was the squeak of the marker arm. He's almost done. What's her name?
Leah.
Is she white or black?
She's tan.
tan?
Yes.
Oh, is she cute? I thought about his new little girlfriend in school. Is she cute? Oh, she is. How old are you again?
What?
How old are you again?
5.
5. So he's on the right track, ladies and gentlemen. Who's the president of the United States? Trump, right? That's right, Donald Trump. John William, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do something because I'm trying to look like I'm working. So I'm putting dirt all on me.
Oh, so you're putting dirt on your hat and your clothes to make it look like you were working today, and we know you weren't. We know you're lazy, you don't really work.
Guys.
Hold on, let me get a picture of your hat. Take your head down. Look, see, he put some dirt on his hat because he said he works or something. He's not dirty, so he went out and got his hat dirty and his clothes dirty to make it look like he worked. He didn't do nothing. He rides his little four-wheeler around and lazy.
Guys, I do not do that all the time. I have to dig holes.
So are you a worker or you're not?
Come on, look what I did. You see what I did at home?
I see them little holes you dig.
No. I planted stuff.
What'd you plant?
Corn.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
What do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a farmer?
Yeah.
You do? Well, that's good. You're on the right track. Except for farmers get dirty. You're not dirty.
I am so.
You gonna be a lazy farmer?
No.
Watch it. Put some dirt on it. Oh, so you're getting your hands dirty, make it look like you did something?
Guys, watch out because the soil might hurt your eyes.
Oh, now you look like you did something. Now you look like you worked today. No John Deere hats were harmed in the making of this video.
See, guys, somebody threw this can out.
Is it natural light? It's your daddy's. If it's a natural light, we know who it is, Mr. Ben.
Natural light.
There you go. Who drinks natural light?
That man.
Exactly. Oh, we caught you littering, Ben. Throw it over here in the bucket of the Bobcat. Right here. Throw it in one of these buckets. You didn't even hit the bucket.
Just got my eye.
Oh, we must got to put more beans in her.
What's something you have no way of proving but you believe to your core is true?
I got two of them for you. For one, I don't believe Osama bin Laden was dead. You can't tell me that the most wanted man in the entire world was killed and just thrown off the back of a ship. Yeah, we killed him. You want to see his body for proof? We threw him off the back of this ship. Yeah, sorry about that, but just take our word for it. We're the government. You can trust us. Number two, I don't think Jeffrey Epstein killed himself. I don't think he's dead. I think he's alive and doing well, and I think there's some government island that they put people that can either help them or hurt them. For one, Jeffrey Epstein could really, really hurt a lot of people in Washington and Hollywood. Osama bin Laden was a wealth of information. They're not just going to kill him, okay? Wake up, America.
All right, I just got the combine washed. Pour her in the barn, give her a wax job. Got to change the concaves, grease it, service it. Got my American flags up there. Clean the inside out. But she clean. It's a crappy job too. I hate doing it, but they look good when they're done. It's a lot of work. So I didn't have time to video me watching it. It was, like I say, it's horrible. Everybody knows that the worst job in farming is washing a combine and a planter. I hate washing a planter too. Tractors, I don't mind. Combine, planter, combine's the worst though. Whew. Put her away. Here's a view of the corn from up here. It looks damn good. That's all 75 day. There's the bare spot where I think the compaction was from the spreader, but all the way back and over. And then there's more. Now you can see it. Much more that way on the other side, and then on the other side. It's getting tall though. Damn pretty corn. I mean, it's probably up to my neck. It's probably, let's see, I'm 5'8". It's probably a good 4.5 feet already. So it's growing, and they're calling for rain. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's coming. It's supposed to start today at 1 o'clock. And I think it's supposed to rain 2 or 3 days. So I just filled her up with some go-go juice. She's full, she's ready to go. She's ready to get serviced anyway. Close the bin up. Alright, see. Alright, so we got Hoovers up here today. They're putting the new gear up top on the baler. They got to rebuild a clutch. They said they'd probably have everything done by tomorrow. So top there working. Not even much on working on the baler. Got the combine washed, put it away because that's in the barn. I still have to service the combine, put the small wire concaves in, get that done. But they said they'll have that done tomorrow, so we'll be able to pull that out. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days, so I figured they'd finish that tomorrow. Maybe by, it's Wednesday today, so maybe by Friday I'll be able to get the combine back in there and get it serviced at least, or start on it. I think it's supposed to rain Thursday, Friday. We got the John Deere people coming to service the 544J loader. We ran her pretty hard with manure and the other kind of wet manure, whatever that's called. So they're coming to service her. That's the one thing we don't service. She has some kind of system where her hydraulics and transmission are all one unit. So we let them come and take care of all that. They're supposed to be here today, but they're not here, so I guess they'll be here tomorrow. So they come and do that. We always just get them to come and service it. Last time we actually tried to service it, we didn't do something right with the fuel filters apparently, and it kept cutting off. And it took a week for us to try to get it. We kept trying to get it started, couldn't do it. So finally they had to come back out, and the guy was here for like 5 minutes and got it started. Itch on my back. When you get old, you can't reach around anymore, so you just find the closest wall, scratch your back. But yeah, they're coming to do that. We got them doing this. I'm taking care of the combine when it gets here. My brother is on his way to pick up his surprise, and when it gets here, I will show you guys what the new surprise is. He's very happy, very happy. So he should be here, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. So you'll get to see it. All right, here comes the surprise. My brother got a brand new tractor. Well, it's not brand new, it's a used 8335R. I got the 18335R. She goes 31, he said. 31? Yeah. So we got him an 8335R. So he's good to go now. She's a little dirty, we bought her used. She's got a front hitch on her that we're gonna take off. So if anybody's interested in buying a front hydraulic hitch, let me know. But she got new tires all the way around her. They had to do a little bit of work. They had to put a turbo on her and fan, clutch, I think, some other stuff. But once we get her cleaned up, she's dirty. The guy brought her right out of the field and traded her in. So once we get her all cleaned up, she'll be looking like ours. They want you to back it up. He's sweet. That's his tractor. I got my 8335R and he's got his. Big Lou fall and he probably had a heart attack the whole way. Alright, my brother's over here washing her up. I mean, it's just exciting having two 8335Rs. Even though they're older, you know, they're used, they're still a, you know, a newer cab system, newer updated tractor. She's got brand new tires all the way around her. We're gonna put a wax job on her. We're gonna take that sumbitch off sometime. I don't care what the other guy says. That's stupid. We don't need that. That's the dumbest looking thing on the front of a tractor I've ever seen in my life. It's ridiculous. So me and my brother both agree that it should come off, so. She's gonna look real good when we get her done. Starting to get a storm. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not. It was real bad off to the east of us towards Ocean City. Kind of went around us. We're just getting minor little dribbles here and there, but it's supposed to get some more storms tonight and then tomorrow. So, but the corn needs it. Corn's really tall, getting very pretty. So, that's all I know. There's a surprise. My brother got his tractor. He's happy as hell. 8335R. Got Louis washing the new tractor off. Baylor tractor. She was dirty. But it's fairly clean now. Rinsing her off. Getting her all rinsed off. Say what? Walk around and show me these tractors. Yeah. There she is.
Got a funny looking thing up on the front of it. I don't know, maybe y'all seen a picture of it before we started working on it. It was really bad. But she'll look good here when we're done. It even came with a Sheila seat. She's real dirty inside too. Inside and outside. But we'll fix that right up. We'll get her looking good. Yeah, she's a lot better now than it was. Might take a couple times. We'll get her.
We're gonna do a drive-by video here. There she is. She's not new, but she's new to us. So it makes my brother happy. It makes me happy, even though it's his tractor. He'll be driving it. We both got the same fingernail, but man, it just makes me happy that we have two of these. I've always loved these 8R tractors. We're gonna touch up a little bit of the green paint on the frame and then paint the wheels yellow. They look good. They look kind of good, but just like maybe one coat over them to really pretty them up. But she's a nice tractor. She's got new tires all the way around her. IVT, ILS. I mean, she's got it. I got the power shift in mine. He's got the IVT. He actually likes the IVT. He had the IVT in the other tractor that we rented last year for the baler, and he liked it. And then the 8360R that we use from Denali sometimes, she's got the IVT. They are nice, but I don't know. I like the power shift. I'm not really used to the IVT too much, but what I have driven them, like the 8360R when I drove it, it was nice, you know. It was hard to get it, you know, you got to just get it just right where you want, but the dial, I do like where you can turn the dial and kind of set the speed, or click it, one click, it would get you. I mean, that was kind of nice. It's just getting used to it, I guess. So, but anyway, that's the video. That's a surprise. I'm glad my brother finally got a tractor. We've been pushing for years trying to get him one, and I'm actually glad we got the 8335R. They were talking about wanting a 7 series with 7R series, but I didn't want a 7. I wanted an 8R. I just like the bigger chassis, the longer. Got a little bit more ass behind her for the horsepower. You can pull. She's able to pull everything that we got, and she's got the 540 and the 1000 PTO on her, so we'll be able to do whatever we want with her, which is really convenient. So, hope you liked the video. Thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button or get people to subscribe. And this video was sponsored by Eastern Shore Farmer, because nobody else sponsors me. I'm just kidding. All right. We out.